In this video I'm going to try to make a cover image from the front. And we can scale and say so fit. Then it fits on the edge, so I go to 50%. So we see here a complete picture of the front page. Well, then we can try to find a picture on the web or a picture on your machine. I'll do it on the web, and then later on we can download it. You can choose for save the image, and save it on the desktop as a cover image. And most of the time I use a capital when there are two words, and I say save. And then it is we can try to put it into our document. So we go to the top, and then we're going to stand here, and then I say insert image, and I choose upload from the computer because I've downloaded it, and then I go to my desktop, and there I've saved it. I say open. And it's a rather large image, and we can see for the options. And I think it's best that the image is not in front of text, but it's behind the text. So not inline, not floating or something like that, not breaking the text. And we try to put it behind it. At that same moment, you can see that the text is on the cover. It's the title. Try to enlarge all this. This way. A little bit more. So it's good off. And put it a little bit on the top. I have to choose the picture. I haven't found it. Yeah, there he is. A little bit to the top. Like this. Maybe we can pull it a little bit. It's not a desktop program, so that's a little bit hard at this moment. Then we go to the text, and we select the text, and we want to make it more readable. So therefore, we're going to make it bold, and we're going to make it white color. And then we can make it still a little bit larger. Okay, that's 60. And then we have here an Arial, so we gave more. Yeah, what should we choose? Pacifico. We can choose more fonts. And we go to Baskerville. Okay. Now we have here Libre Baskerville. And that's almost the end of our work here on it.